Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we're making another frozen treat, a higher protein frozen treat, and we are making something that resembles strawberry cheesecake in a frozen form. So I made these frozen salted caramel bites a little while back, and they are phenomenal, and I've been keeping that type of frozen dessert in my freezer, and I decided to try this version, which is a cheesecakey kind of version. And you guys can use any berries that you like. I'm using strawberries, but blueberries would be really incredible. And I'm combining cottage cheese with cream cheese for the frozen ice creamy kind of combination. You guys can use all cottage cheese if you like, but that cream cheese really does give it that cheesecake flavor. I found great strawberries at the market, so those are what I'm going to use. And we're going to use just a couple of graham crackers, not very many of them. You don't really need very many of them. And if you don't have graham crackers, guys, and you just have like a simple type of cookie at home that is like a vanilla cookie or not too much flavor, you could really just use those. You don't have to go out and buy graham crackers. So, but you know, we're making strawberry cheesecake, so I just thought I'd use the graham crackers. They're really delicious. They're really delicious, and now that the warm weather is coming, I really love to have these healthier, higher protein treats in my freezer. And even when I have people coming over, we have some people coming over during the daytime, and you know, something really nice to offer them. So I really encourage you guys to make these because they're phenomenal. And again, use any berries that you have or any berries that are in season. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. Thank you guys again for watching and supporting our channel. So let's learn how to make these really delicious frozen strawberry cheesecake bites. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. First thing, we will need 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. We will need 1/4 cup of cream cheese. This is lactose free also. 1.5 cups of chopped strawberries. You can use any berries that you like. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, or honey will do. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, good quality. We will need 1/3 of a cup of crushed graham crackers. Pinch of salt. A dash of cinnamon, which is also optional. And 1.25 cups of chocolate chips, plus 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is refined coconut oil. We will need our food processor. And we are going to add our cottage cheese, as well as our cream cheese. I did leave out the cream cheese for about 30 minutes, just to soften it up. We are going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. As you can see, it's a really beautiful, smooth mixture. Next, we're going to add our maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of cinnamon, pinch of salt, and I'm going to add 1/2 cup of the chopped strawberries. We're going to leave the other cup to fold in later, and we are going to mix and blend. We have blended the mixture until it's nice and smooth, and now we are going to add the remaining chopped strawberries and our crushed graham crackers. I like bigger pieces just for texture. And we're just going to use a spoon or a spatula just to mix those through. We are going to grab a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and we are going to grab a medium ice cream scoop. We are going to scoop the mixture onto the parchment paper. You can make these as large or as small as you like. I did choose to use graham crackers, but if you guys have other wafer cookies or any vanilla cookies, you can add those. We are going to freeze these for a minimum of 3 hours. Once they are ready, I'm going to melt my chocolate with my coconut oil, either over a double boiler or in the microwave in increments. Plus, we're going to need another 1/4 cup of crushed graham crackers to sprinkle on top. So I'm going to do these in batches. So I'm going to take half of the clusters here and I'm going to dip each one in my chocolate. And I'm just going to use my fork just to tap off the extra chocolate. Add it to my parchment paper and then sprinkle over some of the graham crackers. And we're going to do the same for the rest. And once you have dipped all of them in your chocolate and added your graham crackers, we're going to freeze for an additional 30 minutes just to make sure that that chocolate is nice and hard. And when you're ready to serve, you want to defrost them for about 10 minutes. And here are your frozen strawberry cheesecake bites. They're full of protein, they taste like cheesecake. They're absolutely delicious. A really nutritious snack or dessert. Let me know what variations you come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these frozen strawberry cheesecake bites, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.